You grab your hammer. How to open a wax-sealed bottle of wine? For me, there are two ways. There's a hard way, which involves using one of these small hammers. You just tap it bit by bit. Eventually, the cork will be exposed and you just open it as if you were opening a normal bottle of wine. But of course, there's the easy way, which is my way. You use one of these, a real hammer. Just full disclaimer, I've not been trained by the hospitality industry, so please don't try this at your work. But having opened so many of these bottles, I really think a heavy hammer, or a hammer that at least has a bit of weight, is the best way to do it. So, very simple. All you want to do is to find a counter edge. To show the manufacturer of the fake marble my respect, I will cover it. You lay the bottle flat, you grab your hammer, and you tap. What, it took me 3 taps as opposed to probably 30 from this hammer. Now we're just opening a bottle of wine. Normally with something that has a wax seal, they probably have a bit of bottle age. So I would always suggest that you go deeper than you think you need so that you don't break the cork in half. You use the first lever, you pull. Then we switch to the second lever. You pull slowly. Now, we pause here because of the wax top. We're gonna grab a brush, this is my shaving brush, just to make sure nothing goes in. Then you pull. Beautiful. And you pull. And there you have it. How to open a wax-sealed bottle my way. Cheers. Oh, it's beautiful. Such a beautiful wine.